What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send Solana from Binance to Trust Wallet. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and get the address from your Trust Wallet. So, this is my Trust Wallet here. So, this is from my extension. So, what we need to do is we first need to add in the list of crypto you have here, Solana. Let's go and click on Manage Crypto. And you want to go ahead and just type in this token here, which is SOL, which is for Solana. Let's go ahead and enable this one. So it uses the Solana network, so keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and go back here. Now, since Solana is now added, let's go ahead and basically go to receive here. Click on proceed anyway. Let's go and choose Solana and go ahead and click on the copy button. Now again, go ahead and remember the address or the network for it. So you want to open up Binance here. Now at the top right here, you want to go ahead and click on your wallet icon and you want to go and choose spot. Now under spot, what we need to do is we want to go and click on withdraw. Now, under withdraw, you want to go ahead and specify the coin. So in this case, it's going to be Solana. Now, under Solana, you want to go ahead and enter the address, which we just copied before. It will automatically choose Solana here. But just in case, if it doesn't select Solana here automatically or the Solana network, go ahead and just choose the appropriate one. But yeah, go ahead and specify the amount they want to send here. Click on withdraw and confirm or add the passcode that they'll be sending to you here. But basically just confirm your identity. But to be speaking, once you confirm your transaction here, you just need to wait for a few seconds or even a few minutes here in order for you to receive that. But in this case, you should be good. So that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.